X has 1.7 cells. In the figure, PQ is parallel to DE. PQ is parallel to DE. Here, PQ is parallel to DE. And area of triangle PQF. Area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 square units. PF is equal to 2 times of DP. Whatever DP is there, what DP, we don't know DP, but it's 2 times of PF. This PF, if we take DP as X, the PF will be 2 times. That means it will be 2x. It will be 2 times. What you have to find? Area of quadrilateral DPQ. This you have to find. DPQE. You have to find this by completing the following activity. Now, they are given, you have to fill in the blanks, but you have to understand this and then you have to fill. First, area of triangle PQF. 20 square unit. They are given here. PF is equal to 2 times of DP. See here, PF is given. PF is equal to 2 times of DP. Let assumes DP x and PF 2x. PF 2x and DP x. Now here DF, see here, DF, the bigger side, DF. For finding DF, what you have to do? DP plus PF. To find DF, DP plus PF. DP plus PF. We have put here PF. Now DP we have taken x and PF we have taken 2x. X plus 2 is equal to 3x. Now in triangle DFE, FDE, see here, this bigger triangle FDE, triangle DFDE and triangle FPQ. You can see here vertex is on D and here P. Therefore angle FDE means vertex is coming on D is congruent to dash corresponding angle FDE. FPQ is coming down here, corresponding angle FDE is corresponding to angle FPQ. Angle FPQ. D and P. See here, D and P are corresponding. D and P corresponding angle, down angle. Now same second one like that will be FED. See here, FDE. We are making marking here. FED. E has the vertex. E has the vertex. So FQP. FQP. Angle, down angle. FQP. E is in the vertex and Q is in the vertex. E and Q by corresponding angles. Therefore triangle FDE is congruent to triangle PQF by AA test. We have filled this. Now here. See here, in triangle FDE, this is your triangle upon FPQ. Dash upon dash is equal to 3x whole raised to square upon 2x whole raised to square. They are given like this. You have to fill this box. Now you have to take this 2, FD square. FD square upon FP square. FD, we got it. FD 3x here. FD is 3x. And FP is equal to 2x. We have taken here FP of PF 2x. Now cancel this x square means xx. Not x square, xx. You can cancel. X cancel. Now 3 square. 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. See here. 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. Square is 0. here also square is there. X you have cut in the bracket. Now area of triangle FDE, see here, area of triangle FDE is as it is. 9/4 is coming as it is. Now this angle is going here. This angle is going here. So it came here. It become multiplication. Again I am explaining this one. This as it is, area of triangle FDE equal to sign as it is. 9/4. 9/4. Now this area of triangle, its division is here. If we go here, it will become multiplication. Now 9/4 as it is, multiply. There is no sign, means multiply. Area of triangle FPQ, they are given here. PQF or FQ is 20 units. We have to write 20 units. Means 20. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 9 5s are 45. It's coming 45. Now you got this and the bigger. You got the small triangle FPQ 20. They are given, and you have find FDE, the bigger triangle, area also 45. Now you have to find this small quadrilateral. For that, the bigger triangle minus the small triangle, whatever answer is coming, this is the quadrilateral. Now area of quadrilateral DPQ is equal to QE is equal to area of triangle FDE. Area of triangle FDE is how much? 45. FDE is equal to 45 minus area of triangle FPQ. FPQ you got here 20. 45 minus 20, 25 square units. Here also you can write square units. Square unit. First, what you have to find? The bigger area of bigger triangle. Small triangle is given 20. You have to find the bigger triangle area. We got here 45. 45 minus the small triangle area. We will get this quadrilateral area as it. Okay, see it. Today we are doing algebra. Algebra 1.1, simultaneous equation. These sums we have done in 9th standard also. Simultaneous equation. We have to same like that only. Complete the following activities to solve the following simultaneous equation. Now here 5x plus 3x is equal to 9. Equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Equation number 2. They are given two equations. In this here we have no plus and minus is there. If first equation is plus and second equation is minus, you can do directly cancel this by adding. Let's add equation 1 by equation 2. Let's see. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Equation number 2. Now here one plus is there, one minus is there. In 3y, this is also 3y. That means it's cancel. Plus and minus cancel. 5 plus 2, 7x. 5 plus 2, 7. Now here 12 plus 9 plus 12. That means it's coming 21. Therefore, x is equal to 21 is coming here up and 7 is coming here down. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Now, you have to substitute the value of x. In equation, you take any equation, 1 or 2. Now, here, place 3, x is equal to 3 in the equation number 1. Equation number 1 is here, this one. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. 5. Here, you have to write x. 5x, 5 multiplied by x plus 3y is equal to 9. That means 5 instead of x, we have writing here 3. We got 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. Now 3y is coming as it is, left hand side and right hand side. 3y is as it is, 9 is as it is, 15 is coming here. It will become 15 here. 9 minus 15. 9 minus 15 is minus 6 here. Because bigger number sign is minus here. 15 sign is minus and this 9 having plus sign. That means minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to minus 6 upon, means y is equal to 3 is coming down here and minus 6. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6.